To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. A conjunction is a word that links other words, phrases, and clauses together. So a conjunction is a linking word. By linking different parts of sentences, conjunctions allow us to formulate longer and complex sentences. Some examples of conjunctions are and, but, so, or, for, although, because, as, etc. An example of a conjunction linking words is I like to eat fish and chips. The conjunction in this sentence is and. It links the words fish and chips. An example of a conjunction linking phrases is we will either go to the park or to the cinema. The conjunction in this sentence is or. It links the phrases to the park and to the cinema. An example of a conjunction linking clauses is I knocked on Tina's door, but she wasn't home. The conjunction in this sentence is but. It links the clauses I knocked on Tina's door and she wasn't home. There are three types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. Each type of conjunction is used differently. A coordinating conjunction joins words, phrases, or clauses of equal importance. The coordinating conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. An easy way to remember these is to use the word fanboys. For example, would you like an apple or banana? The conjunction in this sentence is or. I woke up early so I could walk the dog. The conjunction in this sentence is so. A subordinating conjunction joins a dependent and an independent clause. Some examples of subordinating conjunctions are because, while, although, since, whereas, as, and many more. For example, Sarah drank some water because she was thirsty. In this example, the independent clause comes first. Sarah drank some water, followed by the subordinating conjunction because, and then the dependent clause, she was thirsty. Remember that a dependent clause depends on the independent clause to make sense, whereas an independent clause makes sense on its own. So when the independent clause comes first, followed by the dependent clause, then we must place the subordinating conjunction between them with no comma. Because she was thirsty, Sarah drank some water. In this example, the subordinating conjunction is followed by the dependent clause, comma, and then the independent clause. So when the dependent clause comes first, the subordinating conjunction is placed at the beginning of the sentence, and a comma separates the dependent clause from the independent clause. Correlative conjunctions are pairs of conjunctions that work together. Some examples of correlative conjunctions are either or, neither nor, both and, rather than, whether or, so, that, and many more. For example, he shouted as loud as he could. The correlative conjunctions in this sentence are as. I completed both my science homework and my English homework. The correlative conjunctions are both and. Now you try. Read the sentences, identify the conjunctions, and then think, which type of conjunction is it? I'd like either tea or coffee. The conjunctions in this sentence are either or. These are examples of correlative conjunctions. Ryan learnt how to read and write. The conjunction in this sentence is and. It's a coordinating conjunction. I've lived in the same house since I was a child. The conjunction in this sentence is since. It's a subordinating conjunction. He didn't wash the dishes, nor did he sweep the floor. The conjunction in this sentence is nor. It's a coordinating conjunction. She would rather go out than stay at home. The conjunctions in this sentence are rather than. These are examples of correlative conjunctions. We were bored at home, so we went to the park. The conjunction in this sentence is so. It's a coordinating conjunction. I have to complete the essay whether I like it or not. The conjunctions are whether or. These are examples of correlative conjunctions. The house was a mess after the kids finished playing. The conjunction is after. This is a subordinating conjunction.